Hands under your head. Fold left leg. Right leg straight up 90. Straight down 0. 1. Straight up 90 and straight down 0. Lips close. Always lips close. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Left leg. Fold right leg. Left leg straight up 90 and straight down 0. Lips close. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the ball, fold both legs. Fold both legs. Hands at back side straight. Fold both legs. With the ball, hands at back side straight. Hands, head, chest, abdomen. Total lift upper body. Ready. 1, up, down. 2, up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hands just beside body. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Lift thigh, seat, lower back, mid back, upper back. Fold both legs. Ready. 12, up, down. Lift more, mid back and upper back. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, lift more. 2, 1. Total body turn to right side. Standing position with 2 dumbbells. With the 2 dumbbells. Hands full rotation clockwise. Lips closed. Hands full rotation clockwise. 1. Join foot, join legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, anti-clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. With the ball. With the ball, both legs straight. Both legs straight. Hands above shoulder level. Fold both legs at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Spinal twistings. Ball drop. Join both big toes. Tighten kneecap. Catch foot. Catch both foot with both hands. Try to join forehead kneecap. 12. Right. Catch both foot. Join forehead kneecap. 11. Left. Catch both foot. Join forehead kneecap. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Butterfly. Thigh, hips full up and full on. Full strokes. Butterfly. Sit straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the two dumbbells. Standing position. Join foot. Hands side liftings. Hands side liftings. Join foot, lips close. 1. Full up and full down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Separate legs. Stretch in, stretch out. Both hands straight, hands above shoulder level. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells drop. Stick on shoulders. Alternative. Side leg liftings. Join foot. Join foot. Alternative. Side leg liftings. 1. Right leg. 2. Left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Separate legs. Both foot straight. Stick on shoulders. Stick on shoulders. Tighten kneecap. Turn upper body to right back side. See the corner of right. Straight. 2. Left. Straight. 3. Straight. 4. Straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, tighten kneecap, 11, 12, turn to north side, separate legs, more wide, double wide your legs, tighten kneecap. Now slowly bend your upper body to right side, stand, 11, left, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stick slowly drop. With the ball. With the ball. Right leg push back. Right leg. Right leg. Right leg. Again right leg. With the ball, both hands above head. Hands above head. Down your hands. Ready. Touch ball with right leg, with right foot. Lips closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Left leg push back. Left leg push back. Ready. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ball drop. Hip rotation clockwise. Hip rotation clockwise. 1, lips closed, mouth closed. 2, 3, 4, don't bend your upper body. 5, 6, push to all sides. Anti-clock. 6, like a big wall clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the ball, half sit-ups. Separate legs. Foot straight. No V shape, no cross. Ready. Hands straight in front of chest. Maintain above shoulder level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ball drop. Catch. Cross ears. Full sit-ups. Lips closed, mouth closed. Separate legs. Catch, cross ear. Ready. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eyes closed, lips closed. Eyes closed, lips closed. Sit down. Maintain normal breathe. Eyes closed, lips closed, mouth closed. Both hands in chin mudra. Maintain normal breathe.